How to turn off Reels on YouTube, disable Reels in short video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through how we are going to turn off Reels on YouTube. So, to turn the Reels off on YouTube, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to go over to your settings, okay? And as you come over to your settings, you're obviously going to want to go ahead to playback and performance. And once you come to playback and performance, firstly over here, you are going to turn off inline playback, okay? And once you turn that off, we're going to go over to advanced settings. Obviously over here, and it might give you the shorts settings over here. But in the case that it doesn't, okay, you are just going to go over to the privacy section. Make sure all the subscriptions are off in private. And once you do all of that, basically that should stop showing you the reels. But in the case that it starts showing you shorts or reels again, you could simply go ahead and turn them off like that. And as you can see, it says they will be hidden for 30 days. So you can just do that, click on not interested, and that will basically stop showing you the reels just like that. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.